What do you do when everything around you feels broken and everyone says it can't be fixed? This is the story of Nehemiah, a man with a big heart for a broken city. Far away in Persia, Nehemiah served the king, but his heart was in Jerusalem. When he heard that the walls of his beloved city were just piles of rubble and the gates were burned to the ground, he was heartbroken. But instead of just feeling sad, Nehemiah did something powerful. He prayed, he talked to God, confessed where things had gone wrong, and asked for help and favor. God heard his prayer. The king noticed Nehemiah's sadness, and after hearing the reason, did something amazing. He not only gave Nehemiah permission to go to Jerusalem, but also provided him with supplies and letters of protection for the journey. When Nehemiah arrived, he didn't rush in. He quietly inspected the broken walls at night, making a careful plan. Then he gathered the people and shared his vision, told them how God's hand was upon him and how the king had supported him. Filled with new hope, the people shouted, "Let us rise up and build." So they began. Families worked side by side, each taking a section of the wall. It was an incredible sight of unity and determination. But not everyone was happy. Enemies started to mock them and threatened to attack. They wanted the people to give up. But Nehemiah didn't back down. He prayed to God for strength, set up guards to watch over the workers, encouraged everyone to trust in God. The people became so determined that they worked with a tool in one hand and a weapon in the other, ready to build and defend at the same time. Their faith was stronger than their fear. And guess what? Against all odds, the wall was finished in an astonishingly short time. Everyone, even their enemies, knew that this incredible work could only have been done with God's help. The story of Nehemiah teaches us a powerful lesson. With God's help, we can rebuild what's broken in our lives, whether it's our communities, our relationships, or even our own hearts. It starts with prayer, takes courage and a good plan, and happens when we work together. So if you're facing something that feels broken today, don't give up. Talk to God, take that first faithful step, and start rebuilding. If this story encouraged you, please give this video a like, subscribe for more stories of hope, and share it with someone who needs to hear that it's never too late to rebuild. Thanks for watching.